Hey, what's going on, Ruben? My name is Devin, and you spoke with Mary a little bit earlier about getting more leads and more business through online websites. So I just want to say thank you for taking the time with speaking with her, and then as well as watching this screencast. So really quickly, I wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website. You can do super easy to beat out Tree Services Sacramento. As you see, they're ranked number one here on Google when you type in Sacramento Tree Service. Ranked number one right here, and then as well as down here in this organic listen section right here. So and it's super easy to beat them and super easy to get there. So really quickly, uh, you're probably wondering why I make these videos in the first place. So we found out by making these attack plans about how to get more leads and business through the internet and then just give them away for free. Some owners go out there and do this stuff on their own, and some of them actually end up calling me back. So whatever you decide to do with these tips is totally good and okay with me. Our only goal here is to just educate you and just give you some good information. So, really quickly, I want to talk to you about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So, as you see, we have your guys' website right here. I'm going to talk about content first. So, Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these front pages right here. And the reasoning behind that is because Google thinks that's not only going to keep customers on your page longer, but they think it's going to keep them on Google longer, which allows Google to sell more ads that they have here. As you see, his ads right here at the top of the page, as well as down here on the bottom of these pages right here. So Google's crawling websites, trying to find out who has the most content and who they can put front and center right here on this front page. Because as we know, 70% of buyers are only making their decision on this first and second page. Nobody's going to the third, fourth page when they're looking for something. So being on this front page is very important. Google understands it, so they want to put high authoritative content, high authoritative pages on here. So 1,500 to 2,000 words is something that we aim for, and it's very important. And another thing that's important as that content is keywords. So a keyword is something that people are going to be typing into Google when they're looking for services. For example, Sacramento tree service. This gets 720 searches a month. So it's definitely a high volume keyword that you guys want to be ranking for. So throwing this keyword in this content right here, that'll help Google send your website when traffic really when people are searching for these keyword right here. Google's gonna understand that you guys do provide this right here because it's on your front page here, and then they'll allow you to rank for it, which will put you right here on this front page right here. So my second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is very important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company, but they want to see relevant companies. So they'll give you a lot more power for using other tree companies or other contractors rather than using like Pizza Hut sending links back to your website. Because Google knows you don't make pizzas for a living. So I like to use a site called Ahrefs to check this. There's a bunch of free backlink checkers out there, so you don't have to use this one right here. Um, but while this loads real quickly, this is very important, man, right here, because this is what's gonna basically power your whole website, honestly. So as we see, you guys don't have any referring domains or no backlinks. So a referring domain is the website you guys have listed in, and a backlink is how many times your website is listed in. And we see you guys are only ranking for one keyword right here. So if we hop back over here, I'm gonna copy these guys' website and we can kind of see what they have going on right here and how to beat them. So backlinks are very simple. Whoa, what's going on here? Sorry about that. Copy, paste. So backlinks are very simple to go get. As we see while their website loads here, all you need to do is we can see exactly where their website is listed in, and then we can go get those for themselves. So we see they have 79 different websites that their link is listed 94 total times. So we can click in here and we can see exactly where their website is listed in. And if it was good enough to get them ranked, they'll be good enough to get you ranked. So you literally want to come down here and you want to fill out some information and then drop a link back to your website and all these different sites right here. So you have about 2 pages worth. So some of these are blog comments, so you might have to leave a little blog comment and then just leave a link back to your website. So with those 2 tips, from the content to keywords and then backlinks, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic listing section, which is everything under these maps right here. And if you want to be ranked number one in this map pack section, this Google My Business, this has everything to do with citations. And citations are completely free, and it's your business name, address, and phone number listed in a directory. And a directory is anywhere you can just list your business information, such as Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages. So I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. As we see, you guys here have 11 total citations. So your website's listed in 11 directories. And Tree Services Sacramento has 35 right here. So similar to Backlinks, we can come in here and see exactly where their website is listed in. So you want to come in here and you want to take all these different directories they have their business in. You should be coming in here and then signing up your website, filling out your business information as well. And if they have 35, I would recommend going out getting 50 to 100 to just really dominate the game right here. So with those three tips, that's what's going to get you ranking all across Google, number one on this Google page, and then as well as number one on this GMB, the Google My Business section. So try to be as brief as possible. Quick recap: we went over just getting a lot of content on this page, probably 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, as well as adding in those keywords. Then we talked about backlinks, going out and grabbing those backlinks, and then similar to citations, coming in here, just grabbing these citations and then going out and getting more. So I try to be as brief as possible. Sorry, I went a little long. My name is Devin. If you have any questions, you spoke with my partner Mary. Our cell phone number is 775-402-2885. And if you have any other further questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for your time.